Howdy, y'all.
There's a freight train that goes in there about once a month. They cart out milk powder there for export and dairy produce as well, of course milk. Back in the day, sailing ships used to come in this river here. On our left there's a big river bar down there at the sea. A pretty popular destination for freight sailing ships back in the day. There's a nice walk up to the beach which is right behind the shops if you want to go for a wander. There's an entrance way up there, I'll take you out here. Nice views up there. It's right on half past 11, it's bottom on the time. Lots of shops to have a look around. A couple of interesting shops. There's a gold room shop. It's just full of gold. They also have a large gold nugget in the cabinet. Yeah, so nice. The bus driver said you'll take it out of the cabinet. They'll let you hold it and you feel the weight of it. The natural nugget, that's how it was found. And it's just over there on the left, that gold room there. On the other side of where that bus is, that Oceana bus, there's a greenstone shop there. They also got a factory in there which, if the jewellers are carving jewellery out of the greenstone, you can stand beside them and watch them and chat to them. Straight ahead of us is the alleyway that goes up to the beach. Very nice up there, so go for a wander. Any cafes around. There's money machines around if you need money. Nice cafe on the left, and on the right there's a nice pub there with a restaurant on it. I need you all back at the bus at say 12:15 back at the bus. We depart from here at 12:20. 12:15 I should be back at the bus. I'm going to go for a wander myself, so I do lock the bus while we're here. And again, they no hot food because of those cold snacks, so okay, bring them home. No hot snacks, plenty of ones in there. We're going to be parked up in front of the Kiwi Centre, so if you get lost, you don't know where the bus is, look for the Kiwi Centre or the New World Supermarket there just on our right. Okay, we'll see you all at 12:15.
시간 많아. 12시 10분까지 와야 돼. You want to see me again? 밥 먹어 아니야? 밥 먹을 때 찾아가야 돼. 스낵 바를 찾아야 돼. Excuse me? No. Is there any of a good snack bar around here?
Snack bar?
Yeah.
If you go further down into town and jump over this street, there's a nice snack bar down in the next block.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
I just have so much fun with those guys. Love it.
Why did you season the meat?
Sorry?
Season the meat? Season the meat?
Yep.
Why did it?
So the wedges.
Yeah.
Yep.
$10? Okay.
And have here or take away?
Have it here.
Did you have anything smaller?
Smaller? Oh, sorry, I don't have it.
Oh, yeah, no worries. $40 change and your number.
위치라는 것이죠. Thank you.
Wedges.
Thank you.
Thank you. Are you waiting on anything else?
I don't need anything.
You don't. Thank you.
위치라는 웨이키 포테이토.